When your heart is opened to someone, you in essence give up a part of your divinity to them. And now that person, that partner can, as people say, she knows how to press my buttons to make me upset. When you're emotional and calm, you're okay. No one can push those buttons. But then when you open your heart up to love him or her, you give them a part of yourself. You're trusting them with a part of yourself. And then when they get mad at you or they're upset about something, they know how to press your buttons. And it works both ways. You might be able to do the same thing to her. And then when this becomes detrimental, exactly, it's like a battle. You know how to press her buttons and she knows how to press your buttons, and it can become cyclical and toxic.